Hey there, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection and bringing you another topic on termite infestation. Today I'm in a commercial building and I have an opportunity to look at a building where the walls have been opened up. They're doing some renovations. And so what we can see here today is exactly what termite damage looks like, the stuff that goes on behind the wall that we can't see. So if you'll have a look here, this is what happens when termites have been allowed to infest an area of a structure for some time. They've totally eaten out the portions of these studs. You'll also see down here at the bottom, the sill plate is basically gone. And there's really nothing left even to sister to there at the bottom. So before these guys come back and put the drywall back in and put the finishing touches back inside this building, they're gonna need to do some structural replacements, some of these 2x4s and some of these sill plates. But anyway, this is what happens. This is what we don't see behind the wall when termites are allowed to exist for some time. So we're looking out for your best interest, and just give us a shout where we can help you. Paragon Inspection, take care, bye-bye.